And welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79. And our crew spots the cameras, gets the big smile from Wifey, and that Miami Boat Ramp wave as they work their way out to Biscayne Bay and hopefully have a good day. And I guess this is one way to get it done. How are you going to get it back up once you get the ski on, bro? You're going to have to bring the truck back down here. I don't think you guys got the power to pull that out. And our crew's making their approach from the dock. Kind of eyeballing the situation. Everybody's just looking over there, trying to figure out where they're going to go. But the good news is, with everybody on that side of the boat, as he makes his approach on the dock, he should have plenty of dock help. Here we go, they're going to make their approach. We've got one man on the lines. Those people on the lines. And here we go as they make their approach. Cap's coming in a little hot. He's going to have to brake check this one. And our guy jumps off. He scrambles to try and get the line on the stern. And there we go, but he pulls it, and Cap's going to smack the dock as he locked that stern line in, and it just sends the boat crashing in on the front side. And our guy is towing his ski in. And they really probably should have a little more line out on this. You're going to have to watch this, bro. You're going to wind up hitting the motor or hitting the boat with this thing as you come forward. You're not going to be able to stop it in that short of a distance. So Cap changes direction. Really, on this one, it probably should have been on the hip. Here we go. Cap's going to make his turn. Try and swing the stern back around toward the dock. We've got somebody off the bow of the boat. Now we just got to try and get them some lines. And there we go. That ski runs up on the back of the boat as we projected. Now Cap's going to move up to the bow and try and pull this thing up as well. See if they can get this put up. But they've got the ski kind of floating into a boat on the other side as this boat makes its approach. They get somebody off on the docks. They've got the stern line off as well. And they're going to drag the ski to the side. But really on this one, I mean, if I was towing a ski in this slow speed situation at least, I probably would have just had it on the hip of the boat. It would have just been so much easier. One less thing to really deal with. But our crew's going to try and get this one buttoned up. Hopefully be able to get out of here. So our crew is making their approach on the dock, and we've got somebody who just came off a 2. They released from 2, but they're kind of just drifting for some reason. So our guy's going to hold out here for a few moments while he tries to determine what that crew is actually up to. And our guy's on the rear swim deck, so he's in the water. They must have sucked something up. And I'm assuming they've either lost power to both motors or one of the motors. So trying to get this back toward the dock. It appears they have at least power on one motor. Steep bow in. Yeah, we can see our guys back in the water trying to feel what they possibly sucked up. So the good news is this is a Yamaha jet boat, and it's got a clean out tray. So that's why I'm trying to figure out why he's down there trying to fiddle with that stuff, when the reality is he can just remove the plug and stick his hand down there and see what it is. If it was one of the other ones, like a Scarab or something along those lines, that always turns into a fun situation, and somebody's usually diving in the water and going under the boat. Didn't necessarily see him pull anything out, but he must have broke free whatever he was trying to break free, because he's re-sealed everything back up and he's bringing the lines back inside the boat. Our crew's jumping in off the dock, so he must have it. And our crew's going to back it up, and looks like they're going to be able to get out of here, and they'll get on their way out on the bay as well. Oh! Quick heavy throttle. My man quickly decides he needs to get off that rear. Probably a good idea. And I didn't even catch it myself when I saw somebody sitting back there that my man was possibly going for a ride. Waves at the camera. And our guys will make their way on out. And, of course, this is a no-wake zone, but as usual, not everybody respects that. But he's in here, gonna get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're gonna get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.